I'm Tyler Havens, Product Manager with Stellar Industries, and we're here at MineExpo 2024 showing off our new TMAX 3 tandem aluminum mechanic truck package. One of the great benefits of aluminum versus steel is a reduced package on the weight of our body, which allows you to put more tools and equipment and parts inside your mechanic truck that allows you to work more efficiently and productively. In addition to our aluminum bodies, we also offer aluminum drawer sets, aluminum bolt bins, and aluminum lube systems that can help it decrease the total weight of your package.
Here at Stellar, we understand the need to customize your mechanic's truck. We know the importance of being able to add boxes, add different drawer sets, even change the side packs to meet the need for the mechanic that is working in the field.
We offer options like drawer sets, bolt bins, compressors, and extra storage cabinets in order for you to maximize the use of your TMAX package. So our aluminum package here is outfitted with multiple options. So we have our 46P compressor, we have an LM200 aluminum permanent mount lube skid, which offers 3 40-gallon fresh oil tanks as well as an 80-gallon waste oil tank. We also have our aluminum bale style pull handles in this package, which gives you 500 pounds capacity per drawer, along with the feature of every drawer being removable. So something that's important to understand with our aluminum packages is we still have steel parts of the body where we need it the most. So for example, our crane compartment is made of steel, and that is also incorporated into the understructure torsion box of our bodies, which carries the load of that crane through the whole body of the truck and doesn't distribute the load to the side packs. That allows us to put a big 14530 crane on here. Stellar understands how important it is in the mining industry to have a durable truck that can handle rough terrain and capable of carrying all the things that you need on the job.
The TMAX 3 aluminum tandem completes the line of aluminum bodies for us, including the TMAX 1 and TMAX 2 bodies here at Stellar Industries.
For more information, visit stellarindustries.com.